Well, hello, diamond painters. I want to say thank you for joining me. Welcome to my channel. My name is Jolie, and I'll be doing an unbagging from Amazon. We're in my living room on the floor because my daughter's in the kitchen coloring at the kitchen table. So I brought you guys in here. So if you hear a lot of truck traffic, I'm close to the road on a main highway. But this is, I think, pretty sure this is my first diamond painting ever from Amazon. So I was going to order this one for my mom for Mother's Day, but instead I got her another light pad because she thinks hers might be on the way out. And I was also looking at getting this for myself for Mother's Day too, but I never got to it. So my husband ended up ordering this for me as a little surprise. So here it is. So I know it says rip here, but these things never open, so we're gonna cut it open. Again, I do want to apologize for truck traffic, but no matter where you go in the house, you're gonna hear it. But it's worse in the living room. But I also have the doors and windows open because it's supposed to be like 80 degrees out. All right, let me give you the details real quick. It is from the MXJ SUA Direct store. It also says DIY store. It's a full round. It's called the Blue Moon Lantern. He ordered it on June 2nd. I got it on June 5th. I can't believe it's already June. It said 12 by 16 inch, also a 30 by 40 they claim, and it's 22 colors. It was $8.18. I don't think this is going to be true to the size of the image, which I think a lot of them. No, this is my second one from Amazon. That's right. I ordered the Star Aura one, was my first ever, and of course hers was an awesome diamond painting, full rhinestone. Special drills, I would say. Standard kit. We've all seen those. Okay, let me see if I get it good without the glare from outside. But I'm doing this here on the floor because I have a bunch of windows near me. I thought that was beautiful. In like an eerie, beautiful, creepy way. I really liked it. So there's 22 colors, and they're all alphabets. Let's take a quick look at the drill field. I can't see, that's what it's supposed to look like. Isn't that pretty? I liked it. Nice and clear. I don't think we're gonna have any problems. So seems like everything will be easy to read. I'm gonna pause you guys for a second so I can measure this, so we'll see if it's true. But the key, I just noticed, is on both sides, which is awesome. So let me go get my little ruler. All right, I fixed the cover a little bit too. Let's measure this little painting over here. So it says 30 by 40 up here, even though online it said 12 by 16. So it's about a little shy of 35 by 25. It's about 35 by 25. But I like it. Like I said, it had like a weird, cool vibe to it. I don't know why I was so attracted to that. But I was like, that looks pretty awesome. I like it. So I hope it comes out good. It is, you know, kind of small, but I like it. And the key is all letters. I'm not sure if I said that. A couple of symbols here. You know, equal, pound, percentage. Let's take a quick look at the colors. Of course, a lot of blues and Sorry. No DMC codes. But let's take a look real quick. So, got 1, 2, looks like 310, 3. Oh, this is so much better in here, to be honest. You can actually see the colors better. Oh, it's a party in a bag. All the different shades of blue. That's pretty. All right, and of course 21 and 22. So everything is here, and I can't wait to see how this one goes. Maybe the E might be a little hard to see, but with the light pad, I don't think it'd be that bad. Because this is in a dark blue section, but you can make it out on camera. So, again, that one was from Amazon. It's Prime. 22 colors. And it's called the Blue Lantern Moon. Alright, just a quick little unboxing. So, we'll see you guys again. I'll have another unboxing shortly. Have a good day. Thank you for watching. Bye.